Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
The zoom slider appears in the lower right corner of the application window. You use this tool to change the magnification level of the document. This does not modify the document in any way, but rather changes your perception of how close or far away the document appears on screen. You can easily change the magnification level by using the zoom slider. Click and drag the slider left towards the minus symbol to shrink the magnification level. The magnification level appears as a percentage to the right of the zoom slider. You can click and drag the slider towards the right or towards the plus sign to increase the magnification level. If you increase the document magnification to the point that it can no longer fully appear on screen horizontally, the horizontal scroll bar then appears at the bottom of the document. You can then use it to scroll left and right to fully inspect the document at your desired magnification level. Clicking directly on either the plus or minus sign in the zoom slider also increases or decreases the document's magnification level. You will learn more about changing document magnification in the later lesson titled Zooming the Document in the Document Views chapter of this tutorial.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.